After publishing a video earlier about the life of a sloth bear, we received very good response from the viewers. Many had requested for more videos on different behavioral aspects of the sloth bear. We have decided to come up with one such video for today's episode. This video takes you all through the various attempts and its success of a sloth bear which is after its favorite food, the honey. If a sloth bear is sighted on the top of a tree, it could be for two reasons. It could either searching for something to feed on or for saving its life from enemies. When we observed the tree in which this bear had climbed, we could barely see any fruits on it. At the same time, there were no other animals around which could cause a potential threat. The next possible reason could be to raid a beehive found on the trees. This female bear climbed down the tree without spending much time on the treetop. It was because she had a tiny cub on her back. But when we spotted a solitary bear on a different occasion, we realized that nothing else was bothering him. He only had one target, the honeycomb on the tree. In that case, the bear was after the kind of honeycomb found inside the tree hole. Even then, to gather the honey from within the tree hole was not an easy task. The tree hollow was too narrow for the bear to insert neither its snout nor its claws. Also, due to his heavy body, he couldn't stay longer on that thin tree. Even though he came down, it was not ready to give up his favorite food that easily. Shaking off the bees which bothered him, the bear started to climb again. The bear was determined to get its most favorite food. The next effort was to break open the trunk. But this effort was in failure as the crocodile bark tree was very hard to break. Then he climbed little more upwards and continued his effort to split open the tree trunk from the top. Even that wasn't successful either, and at one point his body got squeezed between the two dry branches. While climbing down the tree, he gave another try to break open the trunk by using his mouth. As this also failed, he got down and disappeared into the woods to search for something else to feed on. The larger kinds of bees are known to make hives on tree branches rather than on tree hollows. These dangerous beehives are generally raided by the sloth bears after sunset. In any large forest, finding a tree with honeycomb is as difficult as reaching that particular branch on which the honeycomb is present. On another occasion, we spotted a single bear which was putting those attempts. There have been many such instances from various forests in India where sloth bears getting stuck on the treetops during their adventurous honey collection. This is because their body is not flexible enough for the movements on the treetop, even though they are excellent climbers. Since they feed largely on ants, termites and honeycomb, sloth bears are classified as omnivores. After hours of continuous effort and when the forest became dark, it finally succeeded. Having got the opportunity to witness and film those natural history moments, Throbbing Nature is delighted to share them with our viewers. When a colony of bees are attacked, the defense and the counterattack employed by them are very strong. Sloth bears are adapted to survive these strong attacks. But there are no such adaptations for the humans present at that spot. While capturing these natural history moments, we narrowly escaped the attack from the bees. That's Mother Nature's kindness. Thanks to that kindness, and hoping you all have enjoyed this episode, it's Jason and Naren signing off.